Margherita pizza. Here is a classic margherita pizza dough recipe and some tips for making authentic Italian pizza dough. Ingredients. 1. 4 cups of all-purpose flour. 2. 1½ cups of warm water. 3. 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. 4. 2 teaspoons of salt. 5. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Instructions. 1. In a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, yeast, and salt. 2. Add in the warm water and olive oil and mix until the dough comes together. 3. Cover it with a clean kitchen towel and let it rise for about an hour or until it has doubled in size. 4. After the dough has risen, punch it down and knead it again for a few minutes. 4. Divide the dough into 2 equal parts and form them into balls. 5. Cover the dough balls with a towel and let them rest for about 15 minutes. 6. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, and place a pizza stone or baking sheet in the oven to heat up. 7. Roll out each dough ball on a floured surface into a thin round shape, about 12 inches in diameter. 8. Place the dough on the preheated pizza stone or baking sheet. 8. Add your desired toppings, starting with tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and fresh basil for a margherita pizza. 9. Bake the pizza for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Tips. 1. Letting the dough rise for at least an hour is crucial to allow the yeast to develop and create a light and airy texture. 2. Kneading the dough helps to develop gluten, which gives the dough its elasticity and structure. 3. Use a pizza stone or baking sheet that has been preheated in the oven to help create a crispy crust. 4. Use quality ingredients, such as San Marzano tomatoes and buffalo mozzarella, to create an authentic Italian flavor. 5. Don't overload your pizza with toppings, as this can make the crust soggy. 5. Keep it simple and let the flavors of the dough, sauce, and cheese shine through. The secrets to picking the best ingredients for your margherita pizza. When it comes to making a margherita pizza, the quality of the ingredients you use can greatly affect the taste and overall experience of the pizza. Here are some tips on how to pick the best ingredients for your margherita pizza. 1. Tomatoes. Use fresh, ripe, and flavorful tomatoes for the tomato sauce. 1. Many traditional margherita pizzas use San Marzano tomatoes, which are known for their sweetness and low acidity. 2. Cheese. The classic margherita pizza is made with fresh mozzarella cheese. 2. Look for high-quality mozzarella cheese that has a creamy texture and mild flavor. 2. Some margherita pizzas use buffalo mozzarella, which is more flavorful and has a softer texture. 3. Basil. Use fresh basil leaves for a bright and herbaceous flavor. 3. Look for bright green leaves that are not wilted or yellowed. 4. Flour. Use high-quality all-purpose flour that has a protein content of at least 11 to 12%. 4. This will help to create a chewy and elastic dough that can hold up the toppings. 5. Salt. Use fine sea salt or kosher salt to season the dough and the tomato sauce. 5. Use it sparingly, as too much salt can overpower the other flavors. 6. Olive oil. Use extra virgin olive oil for a fruity and slightly bitter flavor. 6. Brush a thin layer over the dough before adding the tomato sauce and toppings. 7. Other toppings. If you choose to add other toppings, such as vegetables or meats, make sure they are fresh and high quality. 7. Don't overload the pizza with too many toppings, as this can weigh down the crust and make it soggy. By choosing high-quality and fresh ingredients, you can create a margherita pizza that is full of flavor and true to its traditional Italian roots. Step-by-step instructions on how to assemble a delicious margherita. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to assemble a delicious margherita pizza. Ingredients. 1. Pizza dough. 2. Tomato sauce. 3. Fresh mozzarella cheese. 4. Fresh basil leaves. 5. Olive oil. 6. Salt. Instructions. 1. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius, and place a pizza stone or baking sheet in the oven to heat up. 2. On a lightly floured surface, roll out the pizza dough into a thin round shape, about 12 inches in diameter. 3. Place the pizza dough onto a pizza peel or the back of a baking sheet that has been dusted with cornmeal or flour. 4. Brush a thin layer of olive oil over the pizza dough, leaving a small border around the edge. 5. Spoon the tomato sauce onto the pizza dough, spreading it evenly over the surface and leaving a small border around the edge. 6. Tear the fresh mozzarella cheese into small pieces and distribute it evenly over the tomato sauce. 7. Season the pizza with a pinch of salt. 8. Place the pizza onto the preheated pizza stone or baking sheet and bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. 9. Slice and serve hot. Tips. 1. Use a high-quality tomato sauce made from fresh tomatoes for the best flavor. 2. Use fresh mozzarella cheese instead of pre-shredded cheese, as it will melt better and create a creamier texture. 3. Don't overload the pizza with too many toppings, as this can weigh down the crust and make it soggy. 4. Use fresh basil leaves to add a pop of color and fresh flavor to the pizza. 5. Let the pizza rest for a few minutes before slicing to allow the cheese to set and the flavors to meld together.